Hey guys, I'm Evan DiDomenico. I'm one of the product specialists here at Pride Marine on Lake of Bays, and we're here in the all-new 2026 Sea Ray SDX 230 to do a little walkthrough video. So starting here at the stern of the boat, one of the nice things that you can see is this expansive sun pad that the SDX 230 has. Now, you notice a couple things. We have the Fusion Transit remote on here to control all your music. USB-A and USB-C is just in the hatch down here. This is for a flagpole if you just don't choose a desire to put a flag on your boat. One of the things here, so you open up this compartment and it's going to have all your batteries. In this case, it's 3, and your battery switches are just down in here. Notice this stands up on its end. It's all hinged and nicely pointed on the back side as well. Now, yeah, being the deck series here, one of the nice things with the sun pad is that you can move this backrest. So obviously you can have it set like this, which is a good comfortable position with another person here. You're probably going to get about 3 people back here comfortably. This seat rest does move, so if you want it as a full sun pad, you can do that as well. A couple other features that we have on this boat specifically that can be optioned is a submersible swim platform. So you go down here, you can put this right down into the water, and this makes a really good spot for putting on putting your skis on or wakeboards or anything like that, or just chilling out and sitting in the water. We have sea deck on the back of here. That comes with one of the packages that you can get on this boat. As I walk through here, you'll notice that the ladder is completely enclosed, so you're not going to step on it or stub your toe on anything like that. Again, driver's side walkthrough, which is awesome. Really easy for docking, and then your trim control is right here as well. Simple step in. There is a bow or a stern gate here to close it off if you have pets or little ones sort of running around. As we walk in, your first thing you're going to notice is you've got a nice drainable cooler compartment to put whatever you desire in there. Now we'll come into sort of the cockpit area here. So yeah, L-shaped seating, lots of space here for everyone. In the boat, you'll notice the cup holders are recessed into the side and supported by the cushions, which is nice so that you're not spilling things anywhere. Now, underneath here, got a big hatch. You could put your safety kits or life jackets or whatever you want underneath there. Now, you'll notice that this has a table mount here. You also get that in the bow as well. So 2 tables with this boat. That's part of the comfort bundle that's in here. And then you also get a bow filler cushion with that. You'll notice right here, lots of storage underneath. Okay, again, gas assist struts. So no risk of slamming on your fingers or anything like that when you put stuff in. I'm just going to show you this sitting area here, which is nice. So notice that I'm very deep in this boat. This is not your typical 23-foot Bowrider, from a few years back. It's really an amazing boat for, bigger water. You sit way up high compared to your traditional boats, and it's which really benefits for like handling. You feel safe in here, and it feels bigger than it actually is. And this allows you to spend a lot more comfortable time if you're going to be out on the water for many hours at a time. But it also works for the inner lakes that are smaller too, that it just feels a lot bigger than what you typically would have in a 23, and that's amazing. Series done a really good job with that. You'll notice right here, this would be your co-captain's chair. This actually slides, right? So depending on the configuration that you want, you know, you can have a good, comfortable rest for if you're sitting in the L shape, or if you want to slide it forward, backwards here. Again, for a spotter seat or just a lounge area, this is really nice, and it fits me, which a lot of boats don't. So that's great. And then again, traditionally, while you're underway, you know, if you want to sit next to who's ever driving, comfortable position right here with a grab handle as well. Again, a great view out the windshield, which we'll talk about that a little bit. And notice that I'm actually looking directly through the windshield. A lot of the times that's not the case, and this really gives a good view, and also the wind protection is amazing on this as well. So you can go out in some cooler weather and know that you're going to feel warm and stuff like that. Fusion stereo control is right here, so the passenger can control the music while, you know, the driver's operating the boat, or vice versa. So yeah, now right up here, good place. It's all lined here, so you know, stuff's not going to be moving around. You also have a little compartment here that's got USBs in there as well, for storage. Now we'll move over to the driver's side here. All right, so now we're here at the helm position. This is a really good area, and it's well thought through. Notice digital throttle and shift on here. This boat's powered by a Mercury 6.2 300 horsepower with a Bravo 3 drive. Super good control, lots of power. You're gonna at a top speed around that 47 mile an hour range, depending on conditions and if you're in fresh or salt water. Active trim is on this boat as well. So you have your 5 different levels that are set up depending on how you're running. Your key switches right here with a 12 volt and USBs connections, again, A and C along there. Spot for your phone. You can also put it below here as well. And then you've got your, you know, the sound system is built in right here as well. Now, as you can see on the dash, so this one is upgraded with the dual Simrad NSX screens. So super fast, super responsive. And the nice part about having those 2 screens is, again, how we have it set up right now. You've got your Mercury standard gauges across, or whatever you want, your instruments or anything. And then you've got your charts on this side. So super easy to navigate. Again, these are all customizable to what you want and your personal preference. You know, you've got your audio controls built in here as well, for play, pause, Bluetooth, etc. Yeah, and then as far as driver position, again, I talked about this a little before about seeing through the windshield. It's fantastic. It looks good. And you can see everything in front of you, to the side, and there's really no blind spots on this boat, which is amazing. Now, with docking, if you did want to have a little bit more of a view to your side here, you can hop up on this bolster. And like, one of the things that I like about what Sea Ray does is the bolster is actually flat and supportive. You know, it's in a good position. It's not moving on you or anything like that, and that's important because sometimes I don't really feel comfortable on these at all. This is supportive. I feel great, and I'm in a secure position. So again, lots of space here. It's a really wide seat, and then you've got sea deck all the way through on this boat here. So a nice place to put your feet to rest. So really good. Now slowly move over here, and you're gonna notice this big compartment here. So you ask what that is. Now we'll open it from this side here. So as you can see, big wide door opening under there for storage. You can also do a pump out head if you choose. Now to get in, really easy. I'm just gonna pull this open and slide that there. That's a really easy opening to get into, and just air down there as well, while still being protected. You'll notice there's cushions all across. So yeah, if the kids might want to go down there, or if you want to go down there and sit down there for a bit, it just adds extra seating area for it, for the boat. So just close that up here. And again, this is just simple. Push it and locks in place. Now, the it is off-centered through the walkthrough, and this adds unique characteristics to the boat, especially up in the bow that I'm going to show you here in a second. So to get in, just click this open. Okay, and then it's latched on here. Okay, so no rattles while you're underway. Simple to put it back on. You also notice that right here we've got the bow gate. So this just clicks into place. Okay, and then full wind protection right there, sealed all the way through, so you know there's no gap there. So that's amazing. Lock that in here, and it just clicks in. Under here, you're going to notice it's all dedicated storage. Okay, so you've got dedicated storage for the anchor light. You've got you know, your bow filler cushion is right here, and you've got a spot for your table. So nothing's loose in the boat, so you're not going to hear that rattling around or damaging it. So close this up. Now, as we come through here, this area is huge. That's what's nice about having this off-centered walkthrough. It allows two people to sit right here. And when you have the filler cushion in place, you know, you can be side by side, your partner or anybody. And this is a really good spot to hang out and relax. Again, it feels deep in here. So, you know, if the kids want to be up here, you don't have to worry about them, you know, been over or anything like that. It just feels really safe and secure, and be confident in that if they're up here at all times. Same with the other side. Again, really just 3 people can go out here, or even 4. It's pretty unique on a 23-foot boat. Obviously, underneath all this, you do have storage as well on each of the cushions, and then you've got your anchor well up there. Now, this boat specifically is packaged with the tower. Okay, so now we're back in the cockpit area, and I want to touch on this tower specifically too. What you're going to notice here is, number one, this is all powered. So the control is at the back. You can lower it down right close to the windshield to get in and out of boathouses or under bridges really effortlessly. One thing that you're going to notice here is the bimini itself, of how big this is and the amount of sun coverage you do get. Like, this is a sunny day, and this whole area is shaded. You'll notice that this sticks out over top of the windshield. Okay, it hangs out. That means if it does get rainy or anything like that, water's going to drip down and off the boat, right? Instead of being on you on the on the driver or anything like that. Thanks, guys, for watching this walkthrough on the 2026 SDX 230 from Sea Ray. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us through the website at privatemarinegroup.com, or give us a call, and we'll be able to answer all your questions.